Welcome to our tutorial on how to message a Facebook community member on your PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to reach out to someone in your Facebook community but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can connect with ease. Let's begin with the first step. Open up your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Take a moment to let the page load completely. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. We're interested in the messenger icon. It looks like a little speech bubble or chat icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Next, we're going to navigate to the Communities section. In the Messenger window, you should see a tab or option for Communities. Click on that, and then find the specific community you're interested in. This might take a second if you're part of multiple communities, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. Once you're in the right community, it's time to find the member you want to message. Scroll through the member list until you spot their name. Here's where it gets a little tricky. Look for 3 little dots next to their name. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on those 3 dots, and a menu will pop up. Among the options, you should see Message. That's exactly what we want, so go ahead and click on it. A new chat window will open up, ready for you to type your message. Take your time to craft your message. Remember, first impressions count. Once you're happy with what you've written, look for the Send button. It's usually a paper airplane icon, or simply says, Send. Click that, and off your message goes. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a message to a Facebook community member using the new update on your PC. It's a great way to make connections, ask questions, or just say hello to fellow community members. Remember to always be respectful and follow community guidelines when reaching out to others. Happy messaging.